Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how you can run C, C++, HTML and Python in Ubuntu. Okay. So let's start with my terminal. I just press Ctrl or T. So here is our terminal. Let's go to the desktop. So here I create some files. First I create a file of C++ like demo.cpp. Okay. Let's write a basic fundamental code in this file. Go to insert mode, type. So basically I just pass the header file, istream, then using namespace, after that a main function, simple cout statement, hello C++. Okay, give some space. So our cursor is print in next line. Okay, return 0 and save the file. Escape :wq. Okay, so let's try how we can compile this file. So simply type g++ then file name. Okay, press enter. So here our file is successfully compiled. Let's run it. So to run this file, /a.out. Okay, then press enter. So here you can see that our output is successfully printed. So in the similar way, we can check for the C file. Okay, I just create a demo file, demo.c. Write in this file demo.c. Go to insert word by pressing I, passing C header file studio.h, then our main function, simple printf statement, write a message hello C, and return 0. So in this video I'm not gonna demonstrate you the advanced programming, but I just simply show you how you can run your file. Okay, then press escape, save this file and type gcc for compile this file. Okay, so our file is successfully compiled. In the similar way as we see in C++, you can use this command to take the output. So here you can see hello C is successfully printed. In the next thing, I just create a HTML file. How you can run a HTML file? Okay, so let's create the HTML file. Touch index.html. Okay, let's code it. Go to insert mode, simply type then HTML tag, then head tag, then go to the title and pass a title my web page. Close the title tag, close head tag, start body tag, and just pass a random message like welcome to my YouTube channel, then pass any message like Takniki Banda in my case. Okay, then close the body tag, and the last thing, close the HTML tag. Okay, then escape :wq, and here you can see that our HTML file is successfully created. Then right click on it and open with web browser. So here you can see that this is our title, my web page, and this is our message. So you can see that how we can run HTML file in Linux. Okay, the last thing I discuss about the Python, then just press Ctrl or T and simply write Python. Okay, let's check for the Python version. So you can check the Python version by using this command. So the Python 2.7 version is installed in the system, and you go for the Python 3, then you check for that also. Python 3 version. So Python 3.5.2 version is also available in our system. And how you can execute this Python? Simply type Python. Suppose I want to use Python 3, then I just type Python 3 and enter. So here you can see that we are using Python 3.5.2, and just write simple print command. Okay, like hello coder, and here our output is successfully printed. And suppose I want to do some mathematical operation, then like a equal to 3, p equal to 5, and suppose I want to add this and print, then simply print a plus b. So here you can see that our expected output should be 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Okay, so you can do some arithmetic operation in Python as well. Okay, and how we can exit from this? Using exit command, exit and the parenthesis. Okay, then press enter. So you are successfully out from this. So I will see you in the next video, and that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.